My name is Renie Shannon. I was like 28 years old when I was dry heaving. I had nausea. I had fatigue. I had pain in every part of my body. I had been to various doctors for 2.5 years, trying to have some help, and no one understood what was wrong with me. Then I came to Dr. Maykel, and in the first 2 weeks, after dry heaving for 2 years, I had stopped dry heaving for 2 weeks at the first time in 2.5 years. Every morning, I would wake up and get out of bed and start dry heaving. I went through the process of throwing up. Nothing would come up, but I was very loud, and everything hurt, my diaphragm all in through here, because it was constantly doing this. Then it would stop for a few hours, then I would eat lunch, and then it would start again, and I did this every single day. I was missing quite a bit of work. I was sleeping 24 hours a day, and the medical profession kept telling me that there was nothing wrong. The doctor was an internal medicine doctor. I believe I had all kinds of ultrasounds done, and there was no diagnosis. There was nothing wrong. He couldn't find anything. Everything came back normal. The internal doctor that I saw didn't recommend anything. He gave me no medication. He gave me no hope. When I first came, my very first appointment with Dr. Maykel, I was here for probably 3 hours. One of the things that he was telling me was that the dry heaves were caused from the back of my neck. The back of my neck, my third cervical, would turn to the left, push forward, hit my gag reflex, and that's what was causing me to dry heave. The previous trauma that was caused to my neck, the best guess is that I was in a car accident as a kid. Dr. Maykel would adjust me, and I felt better right after the adjustment. And within the next 24 hours, everything would simmer down. A lot of the pain would start to subside. Then the dry heaves would subside, and I had more energy. When I would come to see Dr. Maykel, I was in a lot of pain in my whole abdomen. My GYN had actually done an outpatient treatment. They went in through my belly button and right above my vagina, and they went in and they looked inside here, and they told me I had endometriosis. He wanted to do surgery. I came back and told Dr. Maykel what was wrong, and he said, hold off on the surgery, please. He says, I want to do some research for you. He went and he spoke with somebody in Oregon that he knew. They sent research back saying that this is what they were doing for treating endometriosis, and it was through supplements and chiropractic manipulations. And Dr. Maykel asked if I would participate in this treatment this way. Within 3 months, I was getting better from that. And I was just like elated. I mean, I just had been in pain for so long. It was just unbelievable feeling that it had gone away. And so I didn't have to have surgery. I remember being like a little kid again, going, wow, look at this. Everything's green. Everything's bright. Everything's beautiful. It was like everything that everybody else took for granted every single day, I all of a sudden was just so excited about, because the fields were green. I heard the birds. It was like I was finally getting my life back. Dr. Maykel's perspective on chiropractic and the whole person is brilliant. He's a genius. He knows so much about the whole entire body. I really believe in my heart that if I had not met Dr. Maykel, then I wouldn't be alive today to live, because of my immune system had stopped working. Eventually, it would have been something that I would have contracted, like cancer or some kind of a disease that I couldn't have been cured for. And I really believe in my heart that he saved my life.